Okay, it's time to read. Yes, let's read some words together. Oh, this one is tree. Can you repeat? Yes, look at the tree. Very good. Now, what about this one? Eat. Feet. Yes, well done. Now, the next one is three. 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 Good, it's number. The next one is teeth. Well done, our teeth. Okay, now we have seed. Look at the seed. Great. Bee. Good, it's this animal, the bee. Good. And what's this? It's the queen. Very good. Now let's see. Sleep. Good. Do you like sleeping? Oh yes, I do like it. Now, oops, it's a color. What is it? Green. Very good. And now, another animal. What is it? Sheep. Good. And now we have, look, a sentence. It has a capital letter and a full stop here. So let's see if we can read together. Tricky word, yes? The sheep is in the tree. Good. The sheep is in the tree. Can you see it there? Well done. Now let's see one more. Oh, what was this? Who is she? Yes, she's the queen. So the queen has a green dress. Can you see her dress? It is green. Well done.